So guys, today, see, don't mind this my face, I know. I just woke up from sleep and I've been having these really terrible breakouts for quite a very long time now. But yes, this is what has been happening so far. And let me just introduce myself again. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing, I don't know what I'm saying, because it's been very long I held this camera. Okay, let me introduce myself again. My name is Ada. My name is Ada, and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Denmark, and I do a lot of videos on lifestyle, vlog, cooking, and so many other things. Okay, please consider subscribing to my channel if this is your first time of seeing this face. Well, this is not my usual face, okay? I just woke up from sleep. So guys, today is a vlog kind of video, and this is about to 6. Let me show you guys the time now. And I just woke up from sleep. I want to prepare for my day. That's the time now. I want to prepare for the day. Okay, I'll just go have my shower and dress up and beg my husband to take me to work. So this is how the weather looks outside. It's still really dark. You know what I said in one of my videos, this is how the outside looks now, and trust me, it's really cold. I just came out to make, I just opened my window to make this video quickly before I dash in and have my shower and just, you know, get myself ready sharp. So currently this is the time now, and done. Okay, I know I said my husband was going to drop me off, but plans changed. Okay, my friend will be dropping me off. She's actually the one that brought me back yesterday, so I forgot that we, you know, agreed that she will be picking me up today. So she'll be picking me up around 6:35 or so, and yeah, I'll be going with her. So I'm done now. The next thing I'm going to do is just to drink my cup of tea, the tea I made, my morning ritual. Okay, I'm going to drink this and then just get my things ready and zoom off, and I'll see you guys later in the day. I hope it's not hot though. So I'll see you guys later. I'm going to meet her downstairs right now, and the truth is, normally I would use my bike. Okay, now I think I'm looking at myself. The truth is, normally I would use my bike, but a lot has happened. It's a story for another day. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. I'm back, and you see this one right behind me. She's not seeing me at all, like with that thing she's holding there. Mama, Olachi, my baby. You see, with that thing she's holding there, like she's not seeing me at all. She has not even greeted me since I came back, and it's time to spoil the show for her, because I'll be taking it away from her very soon, just after eating, so I can balance her and eat. I'm so hungry. Hubby made dinner, so I will go and see what he made and take my own share. The best in the game. Say hello.
The hobby chef. Hello guys. The hobby chef.
So guys, I'll just go right now and take my own share from the food and enjoy myself. I'm very hungry. I need to turn on this light. So we have pasta. Oh, I'll eat the pasta. Baby, oh, go walk up.
Yeah, the best in the game.
Okay, oh, they can pour results. If not, you will pay me more bride price.
Yes, ma'am.
Because you cannot be enjoying all my delicacies. You ain't a opposite of a yabasera. Now, to be on the safer side, we take small portion. This one is for testing. Then I desire sure I abani yoru. Ooh.
Tell about what I will. You just go meet with you just lost. I don't know what they talk.
Hey, Jesus.
Even Google no.
Translate that walking now. Okay. Baby, oh, this is your food I can manage.
No, don't go to tell me and cook, manage. You think you can sharp. Cook, manage. Make Google manage.
It's not bad.
Yeah, no, best by itself. You just only dry garlic, small kind of curry, onion, then bouillon and boil, and small vegetable.
Bouillon, Kevin, or bouillon?
None.
Yeah.
Something like
Boy, yeah, hammer.
Maggi.
So, guys, I'm going to sign off. Hola, chiquijo. Mama, bia. Daddy, no heba, ho, bia. Bia, come here, ga, kiho, come. Bia. Kihicho. Rigote nenu. Icho hozinka. Gwa pinye nkecho. Icho nka. Kenkecho. Nka. I'm making hakitaki kansaga. So guys, I just want to end this video, okay? I'm already ready for the night. I'll bait her. See that? Kiho. Nge waga pinye ya, nge waga etikwa mpu. Nge ga eti mkpu, nge ga pinye, nge ga ebe akwa, nge ga eme ihe niile. Pinye ya no. You're welcome. So guys, what was I even saying? I want to end this video. I'm going to end this video now. You see that one there, my madam? I'm going to take that stuff away from her now, and she has had it for like 3-4 hours now since I came back. So I'm going to take it away from her, bait her, and chase her right to the bed. She has to sleep, it's late, so me I can rest as well. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next video, okay? Bye. Please consider subscribing.